Hello everybody and welcome to one of our how-to guides. We're focusing on Gypsophila as being our flower of the month this month. I'm going to put together a flower crown made out of Gypsophila for you. The variety that I'm using is one called Starburst. It's a small headed variety, so quite dense, quite robust. So if Gypsophila is not something that you're familiar with working with and you want to do something quite intricate, then this is quite a durable variety to use. Okay, so I've got about 5 stems here that I've just cut up into lots of little tiny pieces ready to put together. I've got a couple of wires that I've joined together for the correct length that I want the finished circlet to be. And my other tools are literally just scissors and my parafilm. So really simple, again, quite cost effective, so perfect for DIYers. It's a little bit labour intensive, it does take a little while to put together, but very much on trend. So I hope you enjoy. So I hope you've enjoyed our little flower crown today, made out of the starburst Gypsophila. Got a few top tips for you. I would recommend that you cut all your little pieces of Gypsophila first before you start wiring them into your stay wire or taping them into your stay wire. If you think it's going to be easier, you could actually wire all the individual little pieces up first on a silver rose wire and then tape them onto the main stay wire, because it can be quite difficult to actually hold the Gypsophila against the wire and use the parafilm at the same time. Parafilm can be quite an interesting tape to use. It's not actually sticky, it stretches. As you can see how much it will stretch, and it's only when you stretch it that it actually sticks to itself. If I show you by popping a little piece around the end of this wire and turn it this way so you can see, you stretch it and twist, stretch and twist, stretch and twist, and then it just covers your wire. But as you can see, it is can be quite difficult to work with unless you're quite familiar with it. So probably would recommend you have a little bit of a practice first if it's the first time that you're using it to create something like this, just so you're a bit more familiar with it as a product. And lastly, my top tip, you can make this up in advance. You could do it the day before a wedding. I wouldn't do it too early though, probably later in the afternoon or early evening the day before a wedding. What I would recommend you do is line a box with cellophane, lay the finished circlet or coronet on the cellophane, spray it with water, mister, cover it with cellophane and then pop it into a cool, dark environment. Then it should be absolutely fine for the following day. Alright, I hope you've enjoyed watching this one. Thank you again for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel where you can stay up to date with all our latest tips and hints and our inspirational videos. Please continue watching. Don't forget to share us with your friends, like us, comment below and keep those questions coming. We love to answer all your questions. So until we see you again, thanks for joining us and bye for now.